Within your DecoNetwork account, you can offer a lot of products that go beyond apparel and hard goods. Now, if you offer wide format printing or DTF transfers and such as product within your DecoNetwork account, you can offer way more than just apparel and hard good products. Maybe you have an eco solvent or UV printer and offer stickers, posters, clings, or maybe you offer DTF transfers. Know that these are just shapes on a design tool. To add these products within DecoNetwork, it's a good idea to check out what Deco has already created. Come into the Products Select Catalog, and from here you will find a DTF and Wide Format product catalog. Simply turn this catalog on, click Save, and the dozen or so products will be added to your account. To quickly find them, come into Advanced Search, search by supplier, DTF and Wide Format, and from here we can select a size. So maybe I want to take this 3" by 3" DTF transfer print, and instead I want to offer a, 2.5 by 2.5 holographic sticker. I can rename, I can change codes, I can simply come into the decoration area, and instead of it representing 3.5 or 3 by 3, we'll make it 2.5 by 2.5. And we can then resize ourselves. Now it's important that we actually use our settings correctly, so we'll uncheck the lock scale. And it's really that simple. The shapes already within Deco for these products just make it easier to manipulate squares, circles, rectangles, however I need it to be. And if I really need to get creative, I can always reshape the shapes in here or add my own. So if you don't see a shape that you need, simply add a new view and then a new decoration shape and get it to do whatever you need. I can be using circles, squares, rectangles, triangles, whatever I need, and however I need that artwork to crop or bleed, we absolutely can in DecoNetwork.